For 50 years, the frontline infantry of Peru remained completely exposed inside heavily rusted M113 armored personnel, carriers originally built during the Vietnam War era. Now, a multi-billion-dollar defensive transformation is officially underway. The K808 White Tiger from South Korea is the unexpected strategic savior chosen to completely overhaul South Korea and Peru cross-continental defense relations. Leading global defense analysts argue that the Peruvian army faced a catastrophic strategic reality, forcing military planners to operate obsolete platforms with zero modern mine blast protection under the blistering heat of the southern deserts. On paper, their only tactical salvation would be a radical leap into digital battlefield network integration. If a border conflict or a sudden domestic security crisis erupted before this year, these ancient aluminum boxes would have left hundreds of infantry soldiers completely defenseless against modern improvised explosive devices. Security experts noted that navigating the rugged Andean slopes with half-century-old tracks was a logistics nightmare, leaving the nation's strategic flank dangerously vulnerable. To solve this deep crisis, the Peruvian Ministry of Defense finalized a massive framework agreement with Hyundai Rotem to procure a grand total of 141 K808 White Tiger units. This monumental deal stands as the largest wheeled armored vehicle export contract in South American history, completely outclassing rival bids from traditional Western suppliers. By establishing an industrial partnership with the state-owned factory Fame SAC, South Korea has committed to full domestic assembly technology by 2029, turning Peru into a strategic hub for military manufacturing. Before we go on, do you think this massive upgrade will completely shift the balance of power in South America? Hit subscribe to join our defense community and tell me where you are watching from. The technical superiority of the K808 White Tiger explains exactly why it triumphed in the rigorous evaluation process. This 8x8 wheeled combat platform is engineered entirely around maximum crew survivability and high-speed tactical mobility. Powered by a 420 horsepower turbocharged diesel engine, the vehicle achieves a maximum road speed of 100 kilometers per hour and an amphibious speed of 8 kilometers per hour using dual rear water jets. For the rugged Peruvian geography, the central tire inflation system is a critical asset. It allows the driver to automatically adjust tire pressure while traveling at high speeds, enabling the platform to navigate loose desert sand and steep muddy slopes across the Andes Mountains without stopping. Survivability on the modern battlefield is heavily optimized. The hull is constructed from high-strength welded armor steel, providing protection against 12.7mm armor-piercing rounds at the front and 7.62mm rounds along the sides. More importantly, the distinctive V-shaped hull design is engineered to deflect the upward blast of anti-tank mines and improvised explosive devices away from the chassis. This crucial feature protects the 10 fully equipped infantry soldiers inside the troop compartment, an advanced capability that older platforms entirely lacked. Firepower has received a significant digital upgrade for the 2025 and 2026 production lots. The vehicle is equipped with a remote-controlled weapon station, armed with a 12.7mm heavy machine gun. This system integrates a 360-degree day and night panoramic thermal camera, allowing the gunner to remain safely inside the armored hull while utilizing a digital screen and joystick, to detect and neutralize threats up to 1,500 meters away. This combination of advanced crew protection, automated fire control, and adaptive mobility makes the platform an ideal solution for modern rapid deployment forces. Beyond the advanced tactical engineering, the core reason the Peruvian Ministry of Finance approved this major procurement lies in a hidden economic strategy that mainstream media rarely discusses. The K808 White Tiger shares its foundational powertrain technology with commercial heavy-duty trucks and buses manufactured by the Hyundai Motor Group. By utilizing standardized commercial automotive components, the platform reduces long-term maintenance and life cycle costs by up to 40% compared to specialized military engines from Western manufacturers. This economic efficiency allows the Peruvian Army to leverage existing civilian mechanical infrastructure for maintenance, solving the immense financial burden of keeping a modern armored fleet operational over several decades. The strategic timeline for this massive deployment has progressed with absolute precision. In May 2024, the Peruvian Ministry of Defense officially selected the commercial alliance of SDX Corporation and Hyundai Rotem as the preferred strategic partner for its international armored vehicle modernization program. By November 2024, during the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit held in Lima, a preliminary contract valued at $60 million was finalized for the initial delivery of 30 K808 White Tiger units to undergo intensive field evaluation across varying regional microclimates. Following the successful completion of these grueling operational trials, the framework agreement expanded dramatically through 2025 and early 2026 to encompass the full total of 141 wheeled vehicles. The strategic roadmap dictates that initial production units will ship directly from South Korea, while the long-term industrial offsets will see the local Peruvian state factory FAME SAC absorb advanced manufacturing technology. By the year 2029, a fully functional joint production assembly line will operate domestically in Peru, ensuring complete logistical self-sufficiency and creating a sustainable industrial baseline for local defense technicians. The deployment of 141 K808 White Tiger platforms is profoundly reshaping the geopolitical chessboard of South America. By introducing an advanced wheeled armored vehicle network, integrated with tactical multi-band, multi-role radio communications, Peru is effectively dismantling the decades-old defense monopoly held by traditional suppliers. Leading defense analysts argue that South Korea has bypassed the rigid political oversight often associated with Western defense sales. Because the K808 White Tiger features near 100% domestic South Korean components, Seoul possesses the full independent authority to export this platform without seeking third-party export licenses from Berlin or Washington. This technological autonomy creates a profound domino effect across neighboring borders. As Peru successfully establishes a highly mobile combat force capable of real-time battalion battle management by 2026, adjacent nations running older hardware are forced to reevaluate their own tactical capabilities. On paper, this procurement signals a shift toward agile, decentralized maneuver warfare, which directly challenges the heavy armored doctrines of the past. The profound lesson of this historic deal is that modern defense supremacy belongs to the nation that can deliver rapid manufacturing timelines, affordable operational life cycles, and a genuine willingness to share industrial manufacturing technology with purchasing partners. Ultimately, South Korea has proven that flexibility and speed are the ultimate weapons in global arms exports, changing how mid-tier military powers approach national security. This massive partnership leaves a permanent mark on international defense cooperation, proving that industrial empowerment matters just as much as pure firepower. With the local assembly lines in Peru preparing for full operation by 2029, the strategic landscape will never be the same. What do you think is the biggest driving factor behind South Korea's massive success in the global defense market over traditional Western superpowers?